Today we are going to start chapter 3, coordinate geometry. In this chapter we will study how to locate a point in a plane. For it, to locate a point, there was a problem how to locate it, and this problem was solved by a mathematician known as René Descartes. He was Greek philosopher and mathematician. He solved this problem by developing coordinate system or Cartesian system. In the honor of his name, the coordinate system is also known as Cartesian system. In this system, he takes two lines, a horizontal line and a vertical line. And we know about number line. This is a number line, and when we rotate this number line, we will get a vertical line, and these two lines intersect each other mutually perpendicular at point 0 of this line and this line, and it divides the plane in 4 parts. These parts are known as quadrant, first, second, third and fourth. When two lines intersect mutually each other perpendicular, then the plane divided in 4 parts, and these 4 parts are known as quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. And these two lines are known as axes or coordinates. This horizontal line is known as x-axis, and this vertical line is known as y-axis. And the point of intersection of these lines is called origin. It is origin, and this origin is at the point 0 of x-axis and 0 of y-axis. Also, x-axis is known as abscissa, and y-axis is also known as ordinate, and this system is known as coordinate system. The another name of this coordinate is Cartesian. Cartesian system. We are going to discuss some related terms of coordinate geometry or Cartesian system. Cartesian system or coordinate system is a system in which a horizontal line and vertical line intersect each other mutually perpendicular. The point of intersection is known as origin. Point of intersection is known as origin, and the horizontal line is known as x-axis, vertical line is known as y-axis. X-axis and y-axis are coordinates, and x-axis is also known as abscissa. Y-axis is known as ordinate. These abscissa and ordinate divide the plane in 4 parts. Each part is known as quadrant. Here is first quadrant. Here is second quadrant. Here is third one, and here is fourth one. These terms are terms of Cartesian system. It is origin. From origin, if we move towards right direction on x-axis, it is called positive direction, and if we move toward left side, it will be negative direction, and on y-axis or ordinate, if we move upward direction, it will be positive, and downward it will be negative. As we have discussed that in Cartesian system we can represent any point. So to represent a point, what we have made? First of all, take a graph paper and draw 2 lines in the center of the graph paper as like this. These 2 lines will represent their axis. This one is x-axis or abscissa, and this axis is y-axis. These are in a plane of that graph paper, so that we can say it is a Cartesian plane. In Cartesian plane, there are 2 coordinates, x-axis and y-axis, abscissa and ordinate, intersecting each other mutually perpendicular. One is horizontal and second is vertical. And now, to locate a point, we need coordinates. Coordinates are represented in ordered pair. Coordinate means it is a ordered pair of x-axis abscissa and y-axis. Coordinate of any point is a specific notation in which we take a small bracket and there are 2 real numbers a, b. This a and b are written in ordered pair means it cannot be interchanged. Means b a give another reason and ab is not equal to b a. Because A is specific for x-axis or abscissa and B is specific measurement or distance from origin on y-axis. It means if we take a distance a unit on x-axis and B unit on y-axis. This can be written in a order pair, that is it is A and this one is B, and in order pair we write it AB, and this is coordinate of a point. And that point is AB, where A and B be any real number. Suppose we have to locate -3, 5. This notation shows that this value is the distance from origin on x-axis, and it is -3. Origin is here, and here -1, -2, -3. It is on x-axis, the distance from the origin, it is -3, and 5 is the distance from origin on y-axis or ordinate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 unit. Draw a rectangle, or you can measure it on graph papers such like that. It is -3, 5. The corner of this rectangle will represent the point -3. It is coordinate of the point. Suppose it is point A. It is coordinate of point A. Here is two lines intersecting each other, mutually perpendicular. This one is horizontal line and known as x-axis, and this is y-axis, and this is origin. On x-axis, this direction is positive, as we have represented the positive number on number line. Similarly, it is positive direction, and this one is positive direction on y-axis. It is in upward direction. It is second number line which we have put on this abscissa. This one is negative direction. It is also negative direction in downward. In order pairs, there is written 0, 2. It means on x-axis the measurement will be 0 unit. We are on origin, and 2 means in positive direction 2 unit. This point is 0, 2. 0, and 3 means it is the first number, and this number will represent the measurement of x-axis. It is positive, so we will go in positive direction 1, 2 and 3, and y is 0. It means this point is 3, 0. How we will represent this point? This point will be x-axis measurement 5 unit and y-axis measurement is 0, so it is 5, 0. What will be the order pair position of this point? It is -4, 0. Similarly, you can say the location of origin or notation of origin is 0, 0. because these two lines mutually intersect at their zeros. The point of intersection is that location, it means that is origin, and it is denoted by 0, 0. On x-axis, you can take any point as x0. x0 will represent any point on x-axis because y is 0 here, means you have not moved upward or downward when the value of y is 0, and x will be any real number, rational, irrational. Suppose we have to locate minus 3 by 2, 0. Where it will be located? Since the value of y is 0, so it will be on x-axis, and the position of n on x-axis minus 3 by 2, it will be between minus 2 and minus 1. And how you will represent it? You can represent it by the method of representing rational number on number line. Or basically this system is developed on graph paper. You can easily locate there minus 3 by 2. It will be here, and this point is minus 3 by 2. And the point is known as minus 3 by 2, 0 when you put in order pair. Let us come and discuss what will be the notation of the points in first quadrant. Suppose we are going in positive direction on x-axis and upward, then we come in first quadrant. Means all the points of first quadrant are, the value of x-axis will be positive and the value of y-axis will be positive. And such type of notation will be in first quadrant. Suppose 3, 2, 5, 7, 2, 8, 3, 4. These all points are positive, 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 and so that these are in first quadrant. Show it by yourself, which are positive for x and y axis, both are situated in first quadrant. In second quadrant, the value of x axis is negative sign first come, after then a positive sign, it will be definitely in second quadrant. Suppose minus 4, 2. The location of minus 4, 2 is minus 4 unit and 2 unit above upward direction, and it is minus 4, 2, and it shows that it is in second quadrant. You locate minus 3, 2, minus 2, 5, minus 1, 7 on number line. In third quadrant, the value of x-axis is negative and value of y-axis is also negative. So all the points situated in third quadrant will be negative and negative. For example, minus 3, minus 4. What will be its position? In which quadrant it will situated? It will situated in third quadrant because the first number that is -3 it is negative, and second number that is -4 it is also negative, and negative will be situated in third quadrant. Let us show it. Here is -3 and this point is -4. This point is known as -3 -4 and it is in third quadrant. Let us take fourth quadrant. The value of x-axis will be always positive, and on x-axis when we go in downward, we will go in either third or fourth quadrant, and if we are on positive direction in x-axis, we will go definitely. When we go in downward direction, it comes in fourth quadrant. It means in fourth quadrant the first value of number will be positive and second value will be negative. On y-axis, all the point of x will be 0. Suppose it is 0, 2. This point is 0, 1. On y-axis, any point will be 0, y. As we have discussed, on x-axis, x0, and on y-axis, 0y will represent the ordinate or y-axis. All the points of y-axis or ordinate are in the form of 0y, where y is any real number, and all the points on x-axis will be in the form of x0. And similarly, in first quadrant will be positive, positive, second quadrant negative, positive, third quadrant negative, negative, and fourth quadrant positive, negative. It is clear when you do this system by yourself. You should draw this Cartesian system by yourself on graph paper. Take some point on the graph and try to locate it by Cartesian system in ordered pair. Let us take a review what we have discussed here. These two lines are known as x-axis, y-axis. This is first quadrant. This point is origin. This one is second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all the points will be positive, and second point will also positive. In second quadrant, the value of x-axis will be negative and y-axis will be positive. In third quadrant, both the value of x and y axis will be negative. In fourth quadrant, the value of x axis will be positive and value of y axis will be negative. When a point is situated on x axis, it will be in the form of x0. When a point is situated on ordinate or y-axis, it will be in the form of 0y. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. We have discussed about it. Try to understand all the points related to coordinate geometry.